It's officially Halloween time at Disneyland, which means they released the characters' outfits they'll be wearing on Main Street. I thought it'd be fun to take you guys along with us to make Kiwi matching outfits with all the Main Street characters. He had matching outfits last year at Halloween. It was like top hats galore. I swear almost every character had a top hat or something that was really hard to do. In case you didn't see our video last year, this is how it went. Hi, Donald! Yeah, he has your little fangs too. Yeah, I made that one. I sewed it. Thank you. Hi, Daisy. Your outfit was just so perfect, so on point. I just had to make a model of it. Twinning. Gorgeous, Daisy. Hi, Minnie. I liked your costume so much, I made a little twin of you. So cute. Oh, that looks so good. Fabulous. I love your costume, Minnie. It's you. I know. I had to have eyelashes for something else. Look, we have Jeff. Look, we have Dale.
We gotta find Dale. We gotta find Dale. That's you! Oh!
So let's take a look at the costumes. So first up, let's look at the big cheese himself, Mickey Mouse. Mickey at first glance looks really hard to do because he's a skeleton, but I decided I'm not gonna do embroidery because that would take so long to transfer all the files. So I decided instead of embroidery, I'm just gonna basically cut and paste them onto there. My girl Minnie is a whole different story. Hers is a stress and a half. I mean, have you seen that dress? Do you see how many pieces are there? Whew, this is gonna be a big job. I don't even really know where to start. I think we're just gonna have to get the fabric and go from there because I'm terrified to even start this one. But I can't not do Minnie. Like, I can maybe not do Clarabelle because if you've seen hers, I'm not even gonna talk about her today because hers is just like, not happening. It's too hard. I can't do that. I'm kind of on the fence about Goofy because I could do his, but that fabric is gonna be impossible to find. So Goofy would have to be kind of, so I'm not sure if I should bother with the Goofy, but like, I can't not have Minnie and Mickey. They're, you know, the king and queen of Disney. I love Chip and Dale's costumes, the little angel and the devil. To make the halo, I'm planning, keyword is planning because this might not work, but I'm planning on using pipe cleaners to somehow make a little halo up there, but I'm a little bit concerned with how that's gonna turn out. But we'll see. For the devil outfit, I'm just gonna make a hat with horns, kind of similar to my Sully outfit. I'm not sure if you've seen that, but kind of got a good idea on how to do that one. But again, they added these, like, one has candy corn and the other chipmunk has a little swirl on the top, which are gonna be hard to do. And again, I did think of doing embroidery because that would look really good and professional and well done. And then I was like, why do that just for, like, you know, a 2-minute meet and greet? I know that sounds bad. I know that sounds kind of bad, but I'm gonna do it the easiest way possible and the quickest way possible. So I think that means basically just cutting out fabric pieces and either gluing them together or just sewing them on. Let's get started. So this is what our little chipmunk angel's outfit looks like so far. We still have to put, I think it's a little swirl. I'm not sure if it's a swirl or the candy corn. And I have still to make a cape, and somehow we have to figure out how to get a halo up here. That's gonna be the hardest part. Just looking at him though, he looks a lot like an Ewok, doesn't he? And look at the little devil, so cute. If you look at Minnie's outfit though, she has a whole bunch of buttons and a few other accessories that kind of bring the outfit together. So I'm just kind of banking on the sleeves being changed as well as the little accessories, bringing the whole outfit together. So if you look at Minnie's dress, you'll see these little orange and black triangles. I wasn't originally gonna do these, but I really think this outfit needs it to tie it together. So I had to cut each one by hand. That's orange fluff, that's why it looks so funny. Each one by hand, and now I have to attach them individually. In my head, this seemed like such a good idea, but in reality, it looks like garbage. Maybe this will look a little bit better when I add all the accents onto it. Okay, so as you can see, Donald's collar does not look at all like the way that I made it, but it just was not working at all. This fabric was just flopping around and rolling up no matter what I did. So I had to sew it down, and then it just looked a bit too much like Kermit the Frog. So I tried to fix it by adding this orange at the top, which Donald does not have anything that looks like that. I totally screwed this up, but I kind of just have to do it this way because I've already gone so far with it. This fabric is such a pain to work with. You see how wrinkled this keeps getting? This is a miracle that it turned out the way it did, so I'm scared of adding it lower. So I don't know if he's going to be having like a bit of a Winnie the Pooh type crop top or if I should be adding something to it. I'm hoping it'll look a lot better when I add a star and a moon on his outfit and his wizard hat. You guys, it worked. He actually looks like a little skeleton. How cute is that? I was half expecting the bones to kind of be like on the wrong side of his arm or have a big mistake go wrong, so I was so nervous trying this on, but it worked. And see, so far, his little bow tie looks a bit like this, so oh, it's coming together. I just want to show you guys how ridiculous this hat looks. This is supposed to be for Daisy Duck, but look how high it is. I already finished it. It was so much work, you have no idea, so I have to keep it the way it is. But look how ridiculous it looks. So I added an extra layer of orange down at the bottom here to make it a bit longer, and I think it kind of ties the whole outfit together, even though it's absolutely nothing like what Donald wears in the park. I just had to kind of wing it and make my own thing. Donald's fabric is like impossible to find, so we had to kind of go with our own creation, even though it's a bit like a jester with these things at the top. I think it looks cute. I don't know. I mean, these look tacky. I just cut them up and I just sewed them on. I think embroidery would have looked a heck of a lot better, but I don't have time for that. So we just did this, and if you look closely, it's not that bad. I mean, certainly not that good, especially this one. That's a little odd, but hey, he's pretty cute. And this is Donald's hat. I absolutely hate it. It's gross, it's bulging out, it looks like Oogie Boogie all on top of his head, but I don't know how to fix it, and I don't want to do it again because this thing was so hard to make. It looks like some weird upside down space strawberry. I'm sorry, Donald, I did not do you justice, and I hope you don't hate it too much when you see it. I thought Daisy's narwhal horn or unicorn horn hat was the worst thing in the world, but then I saw Donald's hat. Da-na-na. But on the plus side, DCA Daisy's hat looks cute. Completely has nothing to do with this video, but has something to do with Halloween. Look how cute she is! I made Sally new this year. I left that gap because I was thinking of putting lipstick on her, but I think I'm just gonna leave it the way she is. Look at her ear, that was so hard to do. And look at this one, there's Jack and Sally. And there's our baby getting a touch-up for the new year. So this is what Minnie's bow looks like so far. I'm gonna take some fabric paint and touch it up and put those little details that she has in her bow tie, and we'll see what happens. And here it is after. Here's Minnie. I know it's not perfect by any means, but I think she's pretty cute. To be honest, Minnie's outfit was really hard to do, so the fact that I pulled anything off that looks remotely similar to her outfit is quite the accomplishment to me, so I'll take it. Okay, so this is how Donald turned out. Again, I am really not happy with the hat, but you know, he's cute. Definitely had to do creative genius because this is not at all what Donald's outfit looks like, but I'm hoping it's similar enough that he won't notice. And here's your little angel Chip. I really like how this costume turned out. I'm shocked that I was able to do a little halo. Look at it wiggling around up there. And I actually really like the little candy pin that I made. So I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. Look at the little devil. I just love him. I think it's adorable, and I like the way the candy corn looks. Besides the fact that the button's not quite in the middle, I think he's adorable. So for Daisy, I still need to add the black trim, and it's not quite done yet, but it's getting dark, so I gotta show you quick because we're leaving tomorrow. I have to say though, this is one of my least favorite outfits, so I'm really hoping the black does a lot of work.